Joe, don't hold it by
See
the
the black
sides.
thing? That's it.
Hold it like this.
Now can you just do it? My hands are getting tired.
I can't kill that one, Kira, but I can kill this one, I think. What if
That
it
one's
jumps?
dead. You can't. It's too
Because
heavy.
we can't get it, so.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
How are we going to do
You're
that?
older.
But what happens when I... Oh my god!
It's crawling!
I'll get it. I'll get this.
This is kind of freaky.
Ew, this is so gross.
It's going to turn onto your book.
Just don't say that.
It's going on to the ceiling.
No! I don't want to do this. Joe, get it.
I can get it.
If that touches my trophies, that is in big trouble.
What do I do? What do I do now?
That's
Joe,
fine.
go get a towel.
I got an idea. Here, I'm going to just use this one.
That one's not moving.
Okay, just let go then.
Don't use that!
Hurry up!
It's Taylor Swift here, and you don't even watch it.
Taylor Swift is in a show.
No, Joe, it's not a show.
Yeah. I'm going to use the Hello Kitty one. You like that?
Ugh! It's heavy.
Okay, let go now.
Why would I let go now?
Because it's dead.
Yeah, but what if it falls?
On my trophies.
Okay, catch it. What's that?
You catch it. I can't, dude. Just hold it out like that over the
Joe,
shoulder.
just get